Did you know that the BGC Greenway Park is not just a park, but a sustainable oasis in the middle of the city? This linear park is designed to connect different parts of BGC, promoting walkability and reducing the carbon footprint of its residents and visitors. This park is a 1.6-kilometer linear park that meanders through the heart of BGC. It's a lush green oasis that connects the different parts of the district, and it's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy some nature in the city. The park is home to over 10,000 trees, as well as a diverse range of flora and fauna that will make you forget that you're in the middle of a concrete jungle. In short, the BGC Greenway Park is a treasure trove of nature, art, and culture in the heart of BGC. Whether you're looking to take a leisurely stroll, snap some photos, enjoy some live entertainment, or simply escape the urban chaos, this park has got you covered.